strike. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Dennis Leslie. And his opponent, fighting out of the blue corner, representing Harrison Park Boxing Club. He's wearing the black trunks with a gold stripe. Put your hands together for Torrey, Vogel.
Yes? Sorry. Yeah, it looked like girls. I'm not sure. Yeah, I thought. Okay. I would say. Torrey,
178. Out of the red corner, Dennis Leslie. And out of the blue corner, Torrey Vogel. Leslie in the red trunks, Vogel in the black. 178. Leslie takes a sharp left hand as he tries to set his opponent up. Leslie takes Vogel over to the corner, and the two fight inconclusively. Leslie tries to line Vogel up. Vogel comes back, a nice left hand. A left hand that puts Leslie down. And he's stunned. He is stunned. That left hand caught him beautifully. And that was enough for the referee. This one's over.
Let's give our fighters a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The owner of a Toyota Corolla, license plate number X681370. Please move your car, you're blocking someone in. Toyota Corolla, right there in the parking lot. Please move your car, you're blocking someone in. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give our fighters another big round of applause. I have the official scorecard for the senior novice 178-pound match. Referee Dave Smith stops the bout. For our winner, representing Harrison Park Boxing Club out of the blue corner, Torrey Vogel.
Torrey Vogel looks upstairs and gives thanks